Beachfront Park, located in downtown Crescent City, California, is a 35-acre community park with open green space along the oceanfront and adjacent to Elk Creek. The city has been in the process of reimagining the space to include amenities that fit the needs and desires of the community, and includes a wider variety of activities suited for locals and visitors. In addition to the sports and entertainment opportunities, the project also includes several interpretive experiences that are under development. The existing tsunami walking tour, documenting the 1964 tsunami that devastated Crescent City, has been updated to include several stops in Beachfront Park, in addition to the 5 that exist in the downtown area. Other interpretive exhibits will be clustered thematically throughout the park and include the Tolowa Cultural Walk, an indigenous plant garden and gathering circle, local history that includes mining and timber industries, and information about the local marine mammal life. This presentation features the design concepts for the Tolowa Cultural Walk, an interpretive experience being led by a committee of local Tolowa people with stories being told along the trail, and in first person by residents of the area. The project is open to everyone to participate. The Tolowa Cultural Walk will feature coastal stories in audio recordings, video, and interpretive exhibits about the lifeways of the Tolowa long before colonialism, the brutal upheaval in the mid-1800s when the California government issued an order to exterminate the Northern California indigenous people, and the resilience of modern culture. As part of this project, the Tolowa Cultural Committee set forth guiding principles to guide the trail for coastal stories development. They are truth, inclusion in the landscape, connect with generations, importance of place, growth and understanding. The individual stations on the cultural trail will have a privacy fence formed with slats to give a person on the inside enough privacy to take in all the information, while allowing visibility from the outside to ensure safety. Slats will vary from station to station in height, form, and shape to reflect the subject matter, and also allow the station to focus on a particular viewpoint. The parts that comprise an individual station will be 1. A 10-foot wide circle with a Tolowa basket pattern, preferably customized for each site. 2. A privacy wall that is customized for each station to reflect the subject matter of the video. 3. An entrance path into the station to allow for wheelchair access, with an opening quote to set the stage for the experience. 4. Interpretive materials that will be developed with the theme of the stations. Panels will be organic and not flat. 5. An audio station that will provide playback of the Tolowa audio and video. 6. Seating for 1 to 3 people depending on the configuration of the station. These are 3 examples of design concepts that present different ways the stations can be developed. They show small, medium, and large installations that look similar in design but are very different in experience. As a person approaches the canoe station, the undulating shapes of the privacy wall provide a dynamic backdrop to the salmon and steelhead swimming in the wall. As we turn onto the pathway, the back of the station opens up and reveals the canoe together with the interpretive information. In the canoe are a paddle and a catch. This station is twice the height of the canoe station and provides the visitor with a majestic feeling. As we turn into the center, we can see the openings in the bark of the wall, providing places to sneak into the center. The back shows us seatings and interpretive information, and on top, a ring to delineate the size of the tree. 1,000 years to create a tree with this circumference. The ring provides opportunities for displaying quotes when the visitor looks up. The 10-foot diameter here is adorned with the rings of the tree. This station differs from the previous concepts in that the wall is placed halfway on the circle, providing an exterior and interior experience. Before entering the dance house, interpretive information is provided. On the inside of the station, seating and audio-video playback is provided. The walkway around the station provides access to the interior without having to go through the low doorway. We will briefly review 8 concepts and several options for the dance house in the following drawings. The canoe. An ocean canoe is placed inside the circle with a privacy screen that simulates the flowing water. Inside the wall may be a whale or sea lion. The canoe contains a paddle and a catch. The wave. A rolling, breaking wave envelops the visitor as they enter the station. It displays the power of water and the respect it deserves. The elk. In this station, the privacy wall uprights are rotated 90 degrees and create an abstract forest, where elk are walking through and hiding. The redwood. A majestic installation that instills awe. Openings in the bark allow for access through the bark. The base displays the pattern of the tree rings. The burden basket. A woven basket with large openings to facilitate a metal woven wall. The seal and clam. Here, the privacy wall is wavy water with a seal playing in the wave. On the lower part, an elevated bottom houses clam. The dance house 1. The following are several concepts for the dance house. The first is a round base like all the other concepts, but the privacy wall is now placed in the middle of the station. This provides an exterior and interior experience. On the exterior, we have interpretive panels. The interior has seating and an audio-video display. The second option provides the same experience, but now the base is square to provide an experience closer to being inside a house. The last 2 drawings show the same design options, but with a wall that now displays a roofline that more closely depicts the entire side of a dance house. The sides of the building are a little wider to provide more structure. These are the concepts for the physical displays that will be placed in the beachfront park. They are merely vehicles for delivering your story. If you want to get involved with this project, here are some of the many ways you can contribute to your story.